that or i-desisyon, no? Something like that because may mga nalaman na kayong katotohanan, no? Regarding that situation or kung ano man yan, right? No, so sinasabi sa'yo ni universe dito, ngayon malinaw na, alam mo na lahat ang totoo or kung ano man, no? Alam mo na lahat-lahat, naliwanagan ka na sa isang bagay, right? Maybe for some of you, baka may mga na-discover kayo, or may mga questions kayo sa sarili nyo before na ngayon ay nakuha nyo na yung mga sagot, no? Something like that. So, ngayon, alam mo na ano yung dapat mong i-desisyon, no? Something like that, no? Mga Virgo natin. So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? So, parang sinasabi sa'yo dito ni universe na it's time for you to decide, no? Kasi alam mo na yung mga alam mo na, no, may clarity na dito, no, na nalaman ninyo, no, mga Virgo natin, right? No, so it's time for you to take action na, no, something like that, no, mga Virgo natin, no. So yeah, that's it, no. So ayun yung nakita ko for you, mga Virgo natin. So I hope na naka-resonate kayo with this reading for you, Virgo. So God bless you all and thank you for watching, Virgo. So, yan, no? Let's continue with you, Capricorn. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Capricorn natin, no? Tignan natin, energy checking and possible na paparating sa inyo, mga Capricorn, and message, advice ni universe for you, no, mga Capricorn natin. So, let's see energy ng mga Capricorn natin right now. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Capricorn. One card for Capricorn, please. So, you have this, no, unplugged. No, so, for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko dito, Capricorn, no, parang you are being distant, no, for some of you, sa mga tao sa paligid niyo, no, parang you are this, no, decided to have some space, no, for some of you, maybe you are taking your time alone. For some of you, nasa vacation kayo. For some of you, literally, no, nag-disconnect kayo sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo. Parang you are reflecting in your, to yourself, no, something like that, or you are prioritizing yourself right now, no, something like that, no, parang you want something na you want something or you are in a place na something na parang you want some peace of mind, no, something like that, no, mga Capricorn natin, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, you are disconnecting or you are being disconnected to the people around you,